Hello, my name is Diana Carolina Ospina and I am 53 years old. I am studying psychology. I am in group 659. I am studying in the Open and Distance National University. I like dancing. I was in Cancun. I was visiting the Mayan ruins, the pyramids, and the temples. I enjoy the sea, its turquoise water and its white sand beach. I was on the beach every day, twice a day. I was swimming on the sea. I never eat spicy food. The weather was rain in the morning. During the afternoon it was sunny and at night it was very humid. Thanks, good.